see the old stitch.
Okay.
When you go on the other side, that's called ghosting, and that's scary because if you step off, you're done.
So here we're again with my friend Ed, and a good customer. Uses a lot of my sewing machines here, and one of the main machine he's using is this 1508L-18 inch long arm sewing machine with the proper setup for the motor and air foot lift, and he puts seats together, automotive stuff, which takes a lot of precision for it to look right and look good. So he pre-sewed welt already to one panel. Now he's finishing up the whole seat. So he's putting sewing the panel to the next piece, and you can see how easy you can run because of the setup on the sewing machine with the low speed needle positioning motor, which is 1100 and PFL motor, strong with the torque, and also with the speed control, where it gives you control of the speed to run it slow in order to go around corners and all the curves. And here you have it. That's he has another machine here. It's a zigzag. He's using it for carpet binding and things like that. And there's other machines, but these are two of the most used machines in his trade.
Let's see, we check our marks. Feed in this machine is exceptional. It's probably our most used machine in making seats here. Take a little stop here, take a look. It's a beautiful job welting.
Yep. Yep, you can see the finished product there. Yeah, that's a seat cover.